Hey, what's going on, y'all? Alright, welcome to Big Bear Fishing. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Got lots of stuff on here that I know you'll like if you like fishing. Today we're throwing this little VMC boot tail swim bait. I threw this a couple videos ago and caught quite a few fish on it and had a lot of fun, but I was fishing ponds with little bass in them. This, I'm hoping today, as long as we don't lose it, I'm hoping that we can catch a good sized bass, but let's get to it and hopefully we don't lose this. There's a little one. Probably catch a lot of these little ones, but you really wanted it. I know. He choked it. Look at that. Can we get it out? Got it going sideways, didn't you? I'm grabbing the hook. There we go. Alright, buddy. Little guy in the weeds. Check our line. We're using a really thin line, so we're gonna just keep checking it. That little thing. It's such a good lure. So that one was right up in the weeds. Right on the edge of the weeds. I wonder if we'll catch any crappie today. It'd be kind of cool. That would be kind of cool. Let me get that lettuce out of your face there, bud. That's a healthy little bass. Look at that thing. Until he's been eaten up. Yeah, guys, so I think we're just going to run and gun today. I'm going to cover as much of this as I can. I just got to watch out for anthills because it's been warm enough that they're coming out already, unfortunately. Not that they really went anywhere. It's frustrating. We didn't have, like, part of you wants a cold winter and part of you doesn't. The part of me that wants a cold winter is to kill off some of the insects that we have here. Alright, so for any of my viewers that do lure painting and stuff out there, so the other jig head that was in that, oh, this is actually starting to come off too. That paint's actually starting to come off of this one. Okay, never mind. I was going to ask, why did the paint come off of the other one so bad, but it's not coming off of this one, but since this one is getting water on it now, it's starting to come off. I think maybe it got too hot or something in my tackle bag. Weeds. Yeah, nasty weeds. I don't mind the stringy ones. I don't like the ones that are all mushy. Oh, he swiped up at it right in front of me. I saw that one. That's pretty cool. That was pretty cool. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. He's got a little bite right there. It looks like a bird or something took a swipe at him. Alright. See ya, buddy. Well, there's a dead grass carp right there. Good size one, too. That's a little better. Nah, that's not. Just a little bit harder fighter, and it's got weeds on it. healthy, huh? You're just a healthy bass. It's right where I thought he was. Can't be afraid to get into the weeds. Oh. Are you good? You got that hook out of your face. Right where I thought he was. What's up, buddy? Yeah, they're riding that weed edge and waiting for something to swim by. So what the strategy I'm doing, since the wind's blowing this way, I'm actually going up the bank a little bit, casting like that, and then walking back. Let it sink about 3 seconds, and then just slow reeling back, hoping that they ambush it out of those weeds. A couple times so far, they've actually come up over the lip, so that's a good sign, but that's also because it's been a little warmer here lately, here in North Carolina. It's supposed to be a high of 70 today. That's where they're at. And once you figure it out, you can catch a million of them. That was in the bottom. So that's the second one. Oh, slippery. It's the second one that I've caught in the bottom of the mouth. Figure out if it's a coincidence or not. Check our line. Line is still good. One thing I'm worried about is with this 6-pound test, if I get a bigger bass and it has any kind of grippers on it, that line rubs across the mouth the wrong way, because the bigger bass tend to just swallow this thing, and it could be a problem. Or if I hook into chain pickerel, or what else, bowfin. If I could do a bowfin, I'll probably lose it. Here, a pretty one. Boy, that's a pretty bass. Look at the colors on that thing. Look at the colors on her. Him, her. Whew. Pretty. Pretty. Yeah, we're gonna retie. Look at that. Alright. It'll take me 5 seconds. That was hilarious. I was too busy thinking about those dogs barking at me over there. That was funny. I thought I saw something, like a shadow, follow my lure up. That bass was following it all the way up. Must have tasted just enough hook. I need to go, you know what, I want to fish that other side. I need to go back to my truck, and I'm going to put a little bit of super glue on this to keep it from sliding. Alright y'all, so this is what I was talking about. See how this keeps slipping back? Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit. I got my Loctite super glue. I use the Ultra Gel stuff just like I showed you in the last video. Alright, get that off my finger. Alright, I'm just going to put just a little dab of it right there. And slide that all the way up. Just like that. And then start to tear here just a little bit. Put a tiny bit right there. Just make sure you don't get it on your hook right there. And then we're just gonna let that dry. It usually dries in like, I don't know, give it a good minute. It'll probably be pretty much dry. Okay, this is my bag just in case we need it again. But that's it. Simple repair. That'll stay now. We can keep fishing. Alright, also it's been, I don't know, maybe like 4 minutes. That's holding pretty well. I'll start fishing it because I can't wait anymore. Probably should have like, I don't know, never mind. I gave my other one to a friend of mine who just started fishing. So he's got the other one. Ooh, that wind is whipping now. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better. A little better. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's a little better. See that? Didn't slip at all. Perfect. Check the line. Get back out there. So the wind died down just enough for me to make the right cast. The cast I've been trying to make. It's difficult because I need to cast out there like, it's not a huge amount. It's like maybe 15 yards. That wind's just pushing my light little lure enough. So this little like 1.5 pounder comes up after it. And there's one about that long that just swam right by. Let it sink a little bit further so I can fish it a little bit slower. No! Oh man! That one got it. That's what I knew was going to happen. That was a bigger bass right there. Look at that. Completely cut my line. Well, that's a way to end a video right there. Alright y'all, so I'm not going to lie. That's pretty much the way I thought we were going to lose that lure today, was on a big fish, but I thought I'd get to fight it a little bit. That thing came up, gulped it right there at the weed edge, and I set the hook and my line came back, and that was the only thing that came back. But fun little lure to fish. It's a VMC boot tail jig. If you can go out and get one, go out and get one. That was in a white color, like a pearl color, which does really well because it looks like a little shad. And everything loves white. It does well on both spectrums, light and dark. But anyway, that's it. Lost the lure. But I will catch y'all next time. Make sure you subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And take care.